what? Shout out to EVS. Shout out to Slide, too, for allowing me to breathe right. Johnny is in the building right now. We kind of screwed Johnny with no fucking... Huh?
They look like really good knee pads.
Everyone says these are good.
Oh, the Pastranas? I didn't just peep that.
Yeah, TP. Those look pretty cute, huh? You fuck with them, Johnny?
They look a lot more comfortable.
See how these things are pretty tight.
The knee braces are honestly the best, but the problem is...
Yeah, but they say you feel the bike better with these. That's definitely... You know what's funny? I mean, that definitely is what broke mine. Because it broke right above where it ends. Ladies and gents, we just made it to Field of Dreams. I haven't been here since before I got hurt, which was... Damn, when the last time you were here? Last time we were here, right?
Yeah, I think we were here like in the winter
fall.
Or fall.
Yeah, so it's been a while. This is one of my favorite tracks. Fellas, we have a lot of shit going on coming up in August that me and Johnny are doing. We got Day in the Dirt, end of August. I will be at Unadilla. I will also be at Budds Creek. Johnny will not be at Unadilla to film, sadly, but we are going to be filming at Budds Creek. We're filming Day in the Dirt, which is going to be pretty sweet.
When is Budds Creek?
Budds Creek is the 23rd. Is on a Saturday, the race, but Friday they have a Supercross under the lights that we're going to do. Oh, so that's pretty sweet. I'm going to do it. So I'm going to do the Supercross day before Budds Creek. You guys have been supporting like crazy. Thank you guys always. Gomez.com, the best quality merch in the game. We got 494 in the building. We're going to get some GoPro content today too. I got the GoPro. Damn, these feel nice. I like this.
GoPro, we need an Insta360 deal.
Yeah, yo, Insta360, hit us up. We've messaged you multiple times on Instagram and nobody's fucking reached back. So, God forbid you help a guy out.
Yeah, well, he's like, holy shit.
This is how you get shit done. You duct tape shit.
You know how old this shit is? Well, that's what he said. He's like...
How old is that leg? Fucking 20 years old, guys. Don't cut your leg off. Because if you cut your leg off, you're gonna have to duct tape one back onto your body. Check out the bike, dude. Bike looks fantastic. Johnny's feeling like the man right now behind the camera.
Shout out Slid.
Hit it like really hard.
Getting the whole crew dialed in. Slide,
I
Slid.
think it's slide.
Slid, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, you can breathe, no?
Bro, I could smell John shitting literally tomorrow.
I haven't even shit yet. He can already smell it.
I can smell John's fart before it even leaves his asshole.
I haven't had the Chipotle yet, but I know you're gonna get burritos and rice, and I smell the shit already.
I wish I had fucking boots to match this gear. I'm so upset about it.
Stop
like that boot
it.
would have been perfect.
That boot right there? You actually need to lose your leg to have that
all right,
boot.
pal. Let's not fucking
knock on wood.
You know what I'm saying?
Knock
on my dick, because it's pretty hard right now.
Oh, my boy looks a little stiff right now.
You slow down there, pal. You know why? Because anytime I see you in person, I'm like, damn, this guy's actually kind of attractive. My camera guy's kind of hot. Holy dude's bricked up. That's kind of bricked up is crazy.
My boy lives in Brick, too. If you do live in Brick, hit up Amp Fitness if you're trying to get dialed.
Or Max Gomez Fitness. Dude's had that fucking gear since 800 BC.
It's been a while.
My boy
Shit's still
needs to-
fresh. Shout out to Fly. Help me out. Help a brother out.
Why don't you just switch over to O'Neal?
Oh, I don't like O'Neal.
Oh.
Missed the bus, I've missed the train, I'll laugh it off, come round again, now back to square one.
than your knee braces.
Yo, these
or
are
knee pads.
definitely some getting used to. It's definitely a lot different, but in terms of feeling the bike, I feel like feeling the bike is way better. Wouldn't I be able to feel the bike better with like these?
I feel like you might be able to grip the bike better with those.
Because your knee braces are fatter.
Yeah.
So when your knee braces are fatter, when you're squeezing the bike, you feel it a little easier. You know what I'm saying?
I'll tell you what, they're a lot easier to take off. The other ones are fucking. The other ones take a little bit. Yeah, they're really comfortable. So shout out EVS for sending me out new knee these aren't even knee braces, knee pads.
And now you can do
The-
backflip because
TP19. Yo, that's actually next up. I gotta
Yeah, we need
backflip
to
that
plan
bike.
that out.
I think our next trip is going to be having to go back out to Pastrana Land and do a backflip. For those of you that didn't see the first YouTube video that me and John put out, me doing a backflip on a pit bike at Pastrana Land, that was vlog what?
Number one, yeah.
Yeah, go to vlog number 1 and check it out. I did a backflip at Pastrana Land. I told Street Bike Tommy, I said, hey, I want to come back and backflip the big bike, and he said, whenever you're ready. So I think we're getting close to being ready to backflip the big bike. Yeah, we're getting close to 50,000 subscribers. We are giving a random subscriber $500 when we hit 50K. So make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel. We also give away free merch to the top comment when the video gets 1,000 likes. And then when it gets 2,000 likes, we give the second comment free merch and so on and so forth. So make sure you guys are liking the video, commenting, subscribing to the channel, and head over to my site, man, DukeGomez.com for the best quality merch in the game. If you're not buying the merch, you're not supporting the movement. We appreciate you guys always for supporting me and John and the journey that we're on. Is that nothing? Should we bump it up to 1,000?
Guys gonna be able
Fuck
to
it. You know what?
This fucking gas tank one time.
We'll do $1,000. We'll do $1,000.
You sure?
No, we're doing 500.
Oh!
$1,000.
No, how about this? I'm gonna do 500. John's gonna do 500.
Oh!
We'll meet in the middle.
There goes
Sound good?
John's.
No.
There goes
Fuck
John's
you
1.5
guys.
for the
Fuck
week.
you guys.
Oh, fuck you guys. All right, fellas, so literally every day I go to the gym, I pass by on this road right here, and the gym is like maybe 10 minutes from here. I pass by this little fucking tabletop every single day, and I've been telling John, how many times have I texted you like, yo, we gotta hit this jump at this school?
All the time.
Which, like, I think it's doable. I don't know if it's doable on a pit bike, but obviously with a big bike, I'll do this first try easy. But I figured it's cool because for those that ride, you know, when you're on like the highway or something, you're just eyeing things up that you want to hit. And this has been something I've been wanting to hit for fucking a couple months, honestly, now. So obviously it's illegal. So me and Johnny are going to have to do this quick and leave. We got a couple tripods. We're going to get a couple different angles of me jumping it. I just want to look at it first so that there's no kickers in this fucking thing so I don't go over the bars and die. Yeah, this is either going to be really cool or gay. So you guys be the judge of it.
Look how big. It's pretty big, this thing. Look. I'm at the jump point or landing point.
Because it's bigger going this way, but I can't hit it with the tree.
This is how big it is. Got this tree for example.
Like I could land on this shit and it'll be fine, but right to the left of this branch, right here, all day, directly right here. Right to the left of the branch. First try. Easy. And it's quiet right now. We might be able to just do this and get it done. I might be able to do it 2-3 times. So we're gonna set up the tripods. Johnny's gonna get us all angled up. I'm gonna put a helmet on, obviously, because make sure you're wearing your helmet first, folks, and not being a complete fucking dumbass and not wearing a helmet. I see a lot of videos on Instagram where people doing wheelies on the middle of the road with cars everywhere with no helmet. Idiot. Even if it's not illegal to not wear a helmet, because in Florida you could ride a bike with no helmet, you're a complete moron. And helmets look cool. You look cool wearing a helmet. You don't look cool not wearing a helmet. So safety first, fellas.
Cause it ain't no holler back girl, ain't no holler back girl.
All she wanna do is get naked. Top flow, living life dangerous. Shawty wanna know if I'm famous. All of a sudden, all the bitch start changing. I'm sorry, I forgot your name, so no good. I don't wanna claim it. You for everybody, I'm so shameless. Don Julio on my cup, too faded. Make me wanna talk to every bitch that you came with. Smoking till my eyes look Asian. Put it up.
How'd it feel? I'm not gonna lie, dude. The second one I hit, there's a nasty kicker in it and I was hitting it, but I was using the kicker to like pop me higher.
Oh, really?
Which was cool. And then like before it was so muddy, bro. Look how muddy it was.
Oh, shit.
Bro, it was muddy as fuck before. There was a whole puddle and I went right through it.
Damn,
I'm not gonna lie, like hitting a jump completely basically blindfolded and not like testing it a few times is fucking scary, dude, because you don't know what way the bike's gonna kick you.
Yeah, for real.
Did that look pretty gay?
That was pretty cool.
That's sick.
Yeah.
It's not big though.
Still cool.
I mean, listen, it is cool. You know, you see things that you want to hit when you're driving. It may be doable on a pit bike completely wide open, but I highly doubt it.